Hey Wonders, whether it's your first Royal Caribbean cruise or you are a pro, if you have got a soda package, listen up. You might walk into your cabin and realize something is missing, your reusable cup. Although you don't need the cups to consume soft drinks, it is handy for taking drinks away outside of bar or accessing better flavors and options. Years ago, these were waiting in your room. Now, you have to go collect them yourself. On the first few days, head to any bar on the ship. They keep stacks of them behind the till. Just show your SeaPass card and they will hand it over. Don't waste your vacation queuing for a drink when you can use the machines. These cups have a chip that activates the freestyle machine for your whole trip. There is a tiny 30-second cooldown between refills, but it is and a Wanderlust Bini bonus tip. Look for the Royal Berry Sprite. It is a Royal Caribbean exclusive flavor, usually only found in Windjammer's machine. It is must try.